Today's job, going to fit a new tail light on Eeyore. But the old one on Eeyore is a bit clunky, always catching your leg on it when you swing over. I just need something a bit less vulnerable, shall we say. So I managed to blag this brand new DRZ 400 stop and tail light. So on a job like this I will not use connectors. Where that is, it's under the mudguard, it's absolutely vulnerable. So I will solder and heat shrink all the joints, clean up the solder iron, bit of flux, and I'm going to tin what they call tinning all connections. So I shall stick my wires in the flux, and then we'll get a bit of solder on the iron. So let's just tin those up now. Look at that. And the ones on the bike, I shall have to go to the bike with the soldering iron. Oh, the wind is really getting up out there. Jesus. Put a bit of flux on there. There we go. Right. I just soldered all these wires together without recording, never mind. So we've tinned the wires, we've soldered them together. The next trick is to put some heat shrink wrap over them, like so. I have tested the light, make sure it all works. So we got heat shrink there, there, and here. Well, that's looking good. And what I'll do now, I'll put another piece of heat shrink over the whole lot, and it all should fit in the back of the light. That should be pretty tough like that. Right, so that's all good. So I can probably wind that all in the back of the light, spray a bit of grease in there, and then fit the light. Well, that's much better. It's a lot smaller, neater, tidier. It's off a DRZ, so it should be pretty good. And yeah, it's a lot brighter than it ever was. So perfect. Just to finish the job off, I've fabricated a little plate out of aluminium, and then we put the number plate on. That's it. Thanks for watching.